Hello, I'm Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to talk about how to sort disconnected nodes into a grid. Perspectives includes an option to sort disconnected nodes into a grid structure in order to provide fine-grained control over the placement of disconnected nodes. The centers of nodes can be aligned in rows or columns and positioned on grid points, enabling you to support customized graph visualizations in your application. In this video, we are going to show how to use this feature and the available options within it. We are in the designer and have opened the package distribution example application, which is shipped with Perspectives. Before we sort the disconnected nodes into a grid, let's take a look at the web preview of this example application and see the compact packing option. This application shows a warehouse with boxes in the middle, surrounded by trucks which are packed with boxes for delivery. In this visualization, we see a tight and compact ordering of the boxes. Sometimes that is not what is best for a use case. So today we're going to show how to sort disconnected nodes into a grid. Now that we're back in the designer, we're going to go to the drawing view where we can define what to do with the disconnected nodes. We're going to open the definition of the drawing view, and over here in the rule sheet, we're going to select Actions, Layout Properties, and Sort Disconnected Nodes. That gives us this dialog where we're going to choose how to do the sorting. In this dialog, we can give a name to this action. We will take the default. It will also ask us which drawing we want to apply this action to. We want to apply this action to the root drawing in this case. We're going to go to the bottom of this dialog where we pick the packing option. And we're going to select Grid. Next, we're going to define the comparator. How are we going to sort the disconnected nodes? So here we're going to say sort alphabetically by name. We're going to keep the orientation in columns, and we're going to click OK. Let's do a web preview of our application to see the result. So here we can see the warehouse again with the packages, but they are organized differently. You can see the center of each box is on its own grid point. We are organized by columns and sorted alphabetically by the name of the package. We go back to the designer and we're going to change the sorting orientation to rows. Let's go back to Web Preview and see the difference. For comparison, let's see the previous version and see the difference between sorting by row and by column. Let's go back to the designer and change our competitor. We were sorting by alphabetical by name. Now let's sort by an attribute. So we're going to choose ascending order by attribute, and then we're going to pick which attribute. So we're going to, in the drop-down menu, choose package weight. Let's go back to the web preview and see the difference now. Now we see the packages sorted by their weight. In today's video, we showed how to sort disconnected nodes into a grid structure and set different configuration options for the layout. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.